Founded in 1988, the Ohio Business Week Foundation provides high school students a unique hands-on experience with business and entrepreneurship. The week-long summer program brings motivated students together with business professionals from all over Ohio to experience entrepreneurship through the lens of our American Free Enterprise System.
Because the camp itself is actually very fun and informative, and I believe I got a lot out of it.
Being here and going through it and stepping out of my comfort zone has really made me a better leader and helped me with my communication skills.
It really interests me in being like a CIO in business. It seems pretty interesting.
Students experience college life as they translate textbook economic theories into real-world business practices. Once students arrive on campus, they are randomly divided into different companies. Each company is led by a business professional that will mentor the students throughout the week.
There's so many things people don't think about, such as researching how your consumer buys stuff that's already made, and how to work in a team and communicate what you want to get across to other people in a way that they can actually receive it.
I've really learned how to be a really good leader and how to effectively lead everyone so that we can get the most done in the crunch time. Right now it's kind of a bit of crunch time. And just how well you can make a team if you play to everybody's strengths and also highlight the weaknesses so we can work on them together as a team.
Each company researches and writes business, financial, and marketing plans, designs a web page, constructs a trade show display, and creates an advertising campaign to promote their product. The competition culminates as each company gives a 10-minute presentation to a panel of business professionals who pose as venture capitalists.
What we're doing is something you can't get in any other kind of situation or camp.
This is probably one of the best things I think I've done.
This is my first experience with actual business, marketing, and financial, and it's really helped me out.
You meet so many new people, and you get to run your own business and get roles, and you feel really responsible.
It's so much fun. Business is really about relationships with other people. So if you like other people, you're going to do great in business.